Hi, it's Laura, and we are just here to give you a quick sneak peek of a weekly walkthrough. This is that little house that we've been showing you. The cabinets and the granite are in. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Lots of light. The window is now in the utility room down there, and we've got the built-in dining hutch. This is going to be her walk-in pantry. She put a bookcase over there underneath that window. And then this door right there is to the garage. And then I'll give you a quick little taste of the back of the house. This is the bathroom. It doesn't have a light in it right now. She picked out a prefab cabinet there. This was the master that's now one room versus the old two little bedrooms. Added that window. That's her extremely large walk-in closet. And then her bath is here. She has a lot of storage. She picked out a remnant granite piece here for her vanity area. She has the step-in shower, and then her toilet will be inserted soon. But this really is a fantastic little project. And then of course this little bedroom here is going to be her office, and it has a large closet. But she's very happy with how this turned out, and the trim and all of those details are still yet to come, but this is going to come together really quick. What do we have left here? We have plumbing trim out, tile backsplash, painting of the trim, doors and cabinets, appliances inspection, and then deep clean. And she's moving here in about 30 days, 27 days, right on schedule.